guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a whole duck. If you'd like to learn how to make it, keep on watching. So first I'm going to add my onion, one whole medium onion, and my garlic cloves. In my jug, I'm adding all my seasonings. So we've got coriander, cumin, nutmeg, and cinnamon. The black pepper and the salt are to taste, but I left the measurements of what I used in the beginning of the video. Then I'm adding my vinegar and my honey. So I'm going to be using harissa, which is a North African spice blend, and mine is from Spice Kitchen. Then I'm just going to blitz this all together to produce my marinade. You just want to put your duck into a tin and then add on your marinade. Your duck for 1 to 2 hours. Now I'm just creating some cuts on the duck so that the marinade can seep through. I sprinkled over some sumac. If you don't have that, you can use some lemon slices. I roasted my duck for about 2 hours. Alongside my duck, I'm going to be having some green wheat and some potato. I'm going to boil these together and then I'm going to add it to the mixture half an hour before finishing. So once boiled, I'm just adding it to the tin. As you can see, the duck isn't quite finished. The duck is starting to crisp up, as you can see. Right before serving, I'm going to broil the duck for another 15 minutes and then you'll see that the duck gets a bit darker in colour.